Hey guys, here with Photocycling. This week we got mail call, and I'm going to open up this box. It's some new discs that I purchased. It's been out of stock for a while and they finally got them in, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox them and show you what they are. And then the next video is going to be a little different. It's going to be an announcement, so watch out for that video coming up. I don't know if it's going to be right after this video or a week later, but for now let's unbox this mail call. Boom! Alright. And this unboxing is one of the reasons why I'm making the next video, so look out for that. Some of you guys might like it, some of you guys might hate it. I don't know how you guys are going to feel, but it's a video that I've been meaning to make for quite some time. So look out for that video next. But for now, let's unbox this thing. Got some more disc golf stuff. Alright. First things first. We have a Blue Genius, light blue. That looks pretty sweet. Ooh. I've been meaning to get one of these. I have basically the DX version of this. I forgot the name of the, I think it's called the Active plastic, where this is called the Active Premium. So the Premium is like a Z Champion plastic, and it's a very understable disc. It's great for beginners. It's great for someone with an arm speed like mine. I don't have the highest arm speed, but something with a slow turnover is what I need, and this is the disc that I've been using. So now I have it in a Champion plastic, so I'm looking forward to that. Alright, next is going to be a Discraft Meteor ESP plastic. Finally got some of these in stock, so stoked about these. Whew, a lot cheaper buying them from Disc Golf Center versus on eBay. They're charging like a ton on eBay, so these are finally back in stock. So my mid-range, this is going to be my understable mid-range, so looking forward to that. I love the feel of it. It feels really nice. I have a Z one, and I wanted the ESP to be a little bit less stable. And then this is kind of a pink-purple Meteor. So yeah, looking forward to trying that as well. I love the feel of this. This is pretty awesome. And then the rest are some Lunas, because I got tired of paying $30 to $35 a pop on the McPro AVRs. And for those of you who don't know what a McPro AVR, I think most of you do, because if you've been watching my channel, that's all I've been throwing. They're these guys, made by Innova. And because they don't make them anymore, anytime one of these get beat up like this, I end up having to get new ones, and I'm sick and tired of paying 30-35 bucks for them. So I'm going to try out the new Lunas. I tried out a prototype one, didn't care for it, but I was told repeatedly, again, by subscribers and friends, that these new Lunas are supposed to be the same as the McPro AVRs. So I'm trying a set of them. And they're 17 bucks minus my 10% discount from Disc Golf Center. And they're about 16 bucks a piece. Much cheaper than 35 bucks, 35 bucks a pop. So, gonna try these and see how they fly compared to the McPro AVRs. So I got 4 of them to start with and go from there. Hopefully they won't get dinged up like the McPro plastic here. I'll show you again. But that, and all of my McPro plastic seems to do this, and I don't know why it does this, but I don't throw them, I only putt with them. But I'm sick and tired of replacing them with 30 bucks a pop. So 16 bucks after my discount, pretty nice, pretty flipping nice. I love it. Alright, so those are the mail call for the week. And some unboxing there for you for the week. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Next video will be an announcement, so hopefully you guys will tune in for that. Hopefully you like it. If you don't like it, I apologize in advance, but I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys.